In this video, I'll show you how to make timestamps on Discord. Firstly, launch the Discord app on your computer or mobile device, or visit the Discord website. Go to a timestamp conversion site like Epoch Converter. Enter your local time to get the Unix epoch time, which is a numeric representation of the time. The site will provide you with the Unix epoch time code. Note this code as you will use it in Discord. To use the timestamp in Discord, you need to format it with Markdown. Short date time will show as October 1, 2021, for example 12 p.m. Replace your epoch time with the Unix epoch time code you obtained. For example, if the epoch time is 163304640, you would use T2.163304640.T to display the full date time. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.